I'm super excited today.
More cowbell. Right on.
Her voice could punch you in the face. I love this one.
Jive turkey.
Who are you calling Jive Turkey?
You.
I made this hat from aluminum foil. Where it had this foil.
Hi guys, this is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And we're returning to N SEAGULLS. My tribe.
They're my favorite band that uses an anvil. Number one.
I love them for that. And let's not forget my favorite instrument, the accordion. Don't give me that
I
face.
forgive them the accordion.
Don't give me that face.
It's the only face I got.
These things make your wife happy. Trust me, I can be way more demanding. Okay? If all you have to do is occasionally listen to a banjo and accordion, and you get all this,
Not so bad, I suppose.
I'm a pretty good cook.
It's true.
Anyway, so a whole bunch of people suggested a whole bunch of other ones to do, and I really enjoyed the last one we did.
Mhm.
Right? It was Thunderstruck. Yeah. So this time it's a Foo Fighters song, who I also love.
Is there anybody in the world nicer than Dave Grohl?
I don't think
I don't
there
think there
is.
is.
No, I don't think there is. Dave Grohl's got to be the nicest guy alive.
Yeah, that's his reputation, and I believe it.
It's true.
He just seems super nice.
I love Foo Fighters. They're a blast to watch and listen to. We should do some Foo Fighters videos, but it'd be hard pressed to find one that I haven't watched.
That's the challenge.
It's nothing.
However,
like Dave dressed as a little girl. Remember?
I do. You've never seen Steven Seagal's do the Protector.
No, I haven't. So let's do it. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Herzlich willkommen in den Off-the-Road-Studios, in die sich diesmal eine Band hineingemuggelt hat,
A band
deren
is
Masse an
crept in.
Dreistigkeit nicht zu überbieten ist.
Audacity.
Steven
It's my favorite word.
Seagulls. 5 Landeier aus Finnland, die ihr Geld mit den Liedern anderer Leute Aber klar, wer es in Finnland nicht zum Elchzüchter oder zum Skilangläufer bringt, der muss sich zwangsläufig... Als die coolen Jungs also mit den finnischen Mädchen rummachten, hockten die Seagulls in ihrer Scheune und musizierten, und als das auch niemanden aus der Sauna lockte, versuchten sie sich am Aufwärmen alter Rock- und Metal-Schinken. Die Idee war einfach, aber billig. 5 finnische Feldarbeiter verhunzen AC/DC, Metallica und Co. Und siehe da, der langlodigen Zielgruppe gefällt's. Musik ist eben Geschmackssache, und davon haben Metal-Fans ja bekanntlich nicht. Die neueste Schandtat der skandinavischen Cotton Eye Joes, das Lied Pretender der Foo Fighters. Wäre Dave Grohl schon von uns gegangen, er würde sich im Liebe Zuschauer, das ist keine Kunst. Das ist Gotteslästerung. Erheben Sie Ihre Stimme gegen die unverfrorene Zweitverwertung feingeistigen Liedguts. Schalten Sie jetzt ab.
No, I'm not gonna.
It's an epic intro.
Send in your skeletons, sing us their bones, go marching in again. They need you buried deep. The secrets that you keep are ever ready. voice inside your head you refuse to hear. I'm the face that you have to face, mirrored in your stare. I'm what's left, I'm what's right, I'm the enemy. I'm the hand that will take you down, bring you to your knees. So who are you? Yeah, who are you? Yeah, who are you? Yeah, who are you? Keep you in the dark, you know they all pretend. What if I say I'm not like the others? What if I say I'm not just another one in your place? You're the pretender. What if I say I will never surrender? What if I say I'm not like the others? What
Such a
if I
hater.
say I'm not just another one in your place? You're the pretender. What if I say I will never surrender? Keep you in the dark. You know they only
Woo! That was so good.
Yeah, their vocal harmonies were really good. I think.
Amazing near the end there, right? Cracking necks. I do remember that song. It took me a minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it did sound quite a bit different, but you can't go wrong with a Foo Fighters song. I heard
course.
actually years ago that one of their concerts in the States, the foot stomping during one of the songs, I can't remember the song now, actually they measured it on the Richter scale at a place close by, a geological station close by.
Oh, it's an earthquake. Nah, it's just foos.
That's right. That's so good. Those guys are really great.
Yeah.
And I'll have you notice there wasn't a single accordion to be had. I know you're disappointed that there also was not an anvil, but there was a banjo. So
For some reason, the guy on the bass always makes me.
I know.
I don't know if it's the facial hair. I don't know if it's just
He's got that face,
the look
right?
he's always giving the other guys in the band.
I have to say, okay.
He just looks like a Pan or a Loki. You know what I
A
mean?
little troublemaker.
Yeah.
It's okay. So I'm going to make a weird observation. Now that you mention it, it's suddenly keyed into my brain. Years and years and years of watching mixed bands like this where they have a standing bass. And I think about it. The standing bass player is always the quirkiest one. Right? He is. Look at, Bare Naked Ladies was like that. He
You
always,
think that guy was quirkier than Ed and Steve?
well, okay, maybe not quirkier.
he was in the same league. I'll give you that.
That's true. That's true. But yeah, and even that cutie pie that was in the Dead South, he always had that mischievous face too, right?
Yep.
There's a whole bunch of them where, if I really thought about it, I could think, yeah, almost always the standing bass player is the one that looks like he's the most trouble.
I don't know why.
I guess you need to feel that way if you're gonna wrestle with an instrument that's practically the size of your mother.
It's true. It's
Right.
true. Well, there may be something about it, right? Just like goalies are always the weirdest guy in a hockey team.
We all know that that's because of how many pucks they take to the face. Okay, if you had
Yeah, but some kid signs
frontal
up to
lobe
be a
injuries.
goalie before he even takes one.
It takes a certain kind of personality to want to
Exactly.
stand in front of the net and take pucks to the face.
It's true.
Right?
Yep.
That's why you were never the goalie.
That's right. No way, man.
That was really good though. Yeah, I always enjoy them. They're a lot of fun.
For sure.
Thanks
Yeah,
for
that
the
was really good
suggestion, guys.
arrangement. Really good performance.
Mhm.
Less shtick than the Thunderstruck. More,
You think so?
More pure music, I think. Well, I mean, there was less of shtick, but it was all the guy at the beginning. The actual performance, I think, was a little more
You think
straight
so?
and conventional.
Oh, I would've
tennis
never
one.
thought
Well, for one
that.
thing, there was no anvil and wrench.
Okay, but that fur hat,
Fur hat. Oh yeah.
right?
I mean, they still had their look and everything, right? But musically speaking, that
It was great though.
seemed a
Yeah.
little bit more serious.
As
Not in a
serious-
bad way. Not saying it wasn't fun.
Yeah,
I'm
as
just,
serious as like as it gets,
right.
right?
Hmm.
Anyway, hopefully you all enjoyed that enough. You're gonna want to say, play it again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.